Good afternoon. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new to the channel, please hit the notification bell. And today, we got ourselves a new update. So without further ado, let's get right to right. Today I woke up seeing the orange logo pointing down. And anytime we see that, we know we got ourselves an update. So, I downloaded the update and installed the update, and let's see what they fixed. Let's go into the update. You want to go to software and then click release notes. And it's loading up. So this is update 2021.4.12. And it says here on this update that we got minor cold weather improvements and bug fix. So, additional enhancements have been made to improve your overall experience on your Tesla vehicle. Alright, so that means that they probably did something to make the whole winter experience a lot better. I wish they went into detail of what they actually did, but it doesn't seem like they went into detail. One thing that I like, it says that and they did some bug fixes, because on the previous update there were quite a few bugs that caused me to sometimes reset my operating system. But let's see if this update is any good, and let's see if all the bugs are fixed. This was a very small update, and the one thing you can appreciate about your Tesla vehicle, if you just purchased it, you know it's just a matter of time for it to get better and better and better. And that's one thing that Tesla offers that a lot of other car companies don't offer. Through software updates, your vehicle can improve. The range can get better, the speed can get better, and the options can get better. I remember back when I purchased my vehicle, there wasn't any Sentry mode. But after a few months, Sentry mode appeared. And now Sentry mode is one of the best options to combat theft, and it will provide you evidence during an accident of all the things that went on with your vehicle. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this, even though it was short, sweet, and simple. It seems like that's all for this update. So that's all I gotta say. So thank you and have a great day.
Hey, if you want to win a $50 Amazon gift card, all you have to do is like, share, comment, and subscribe. And the first 1,000 subscribers will be entered into a draw